Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn $4,000 in Ethereum. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up, so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing, but stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you are interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. For a very brief explanation, Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain network that offers a wide range of new opportunities online. It is a novel technology that lets people have and utilize a new currency, in this case, ETH. Now, you may have heard of cryptocurrency in its basics. However, we wouldn't be investing any money in this video. You wouldn't have to trade or mine, so you don't have to worry about the risk or if you don't have money to bring out. All you've ever need for this strategy is a fraction of your time, solid determination, and patience. Any prior knowledge or experience you have about cryptocurrencies is helpful, but not necessary. To sum it up, you will be gaining Ethereum for free. Let's begin with the first website for today and visit Latium.org. Just like Upwork and Fiverr, Latium is a freelancing platform. The most significant difference is that this new site will only pay you cash, but you can also earn crypto. You may already be familiar with how freelancing works. Popular websites have a lot of skillful service providers, which makes it hard to get a hold of a client. You wouldn't have to fret about that in Latium because the competition is way lower. Once you have signed in as a freelancer, you can view this list of categories that sorts all of the tasks you can do on this page. Some may require technical skills, just as video and animation, website and software, and graphics and design. On the other hand, there are much simpler tasks that don't require any prior experience. For example, answering surveys, app downloads, or website testing. You can try the usability and testing jobs to monetize their time as a sample. Many companies and businesses pay a handsome amount of cash to people that will ensure that their websites or applications are user-friendly and are working seamlessly, without bugs. On average, an individual can earn $300 to $500 for completing a usability test. This may take time, but will be totally worth it. You can filter the category results through this section, just select your preferred cryptocurrency. We have chosen Ethereum as an example, and once we hit enter, we'll be able to see the offers that pay in this currency. Right now, there are only a few tasks because Ethereum equates to a lot of dollars. As you can see, accomplishing one survey from this page will earn you $15 to $18. A significant difference compared to other websites that offer this type of work. However, if you want to make even more than that, you always have other choices. You can use and enhance your existing skills or invest time to learn new ones before you begin working on tasks you wish to complete. The time you allot for these will be totally worth it because Latium.org pays great. In a nutshell, we recommend 3 choices for freelancers that wish to generate an income through Latium: answer surveys, accomplish usability tests, or learn a new skill. And if you chose Ethereum as your payout option, letting it grow may lead you to gain more cash than its current conversion rate. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. BountyOX.io is another website we'll discuss for today's video. Going to their homepage will let you know that this is a bounty hunting platform for cryptocurrency. It allows users to earn crypto for completing simple tasks. Over their active years, BountyOX has awarded a total of $5.3 million to thousands of users. It is a platform where bounty hunters and businesses come together in a safe environment that gives cryptocurrency for every task you complete. And if you search for reviews online, you can see that BountyOX is rated an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars. The site supports 6 blockchains and their tokens including Stellar, EOS, Tron, Neo, and of course, Ethereum. And you'll have a variety of commissions that you can accomplish. Simply scroll down their homepage to see the complete list, but to name a few, you can do content creation, graphics design, translation, marketing, and answering surveys. Some of these tasks require you to have some skill, but as you know, taking time to answer surveys doesn't really need that much. No previous knowledge, no particular skill. You can also explore content creation as it can be fairly easy, depending on the job that was posted. As a bounty hunter, the whole process can be done in 3 easy steps. First, you need to browse for suitable bounties from hundreds of job openings. Then, complete the work that you have just chosen and submit it for review. Once your work is approved, the compensation will be sent to you directly. To make earning crypto much more manageable, you can link third-party applications to your Bounty OX account. This is because some of the offers you receive may involve Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Reddit. And once you have completed the registration, you'll be able to keep track all of your tasks and earnings on your personal dashboard. Now that we have discussed the platforms that will help you earn cryptocurrency, particularly Ethereum, we'll discuss where you can securely keep this income. If you handle crypto just like any money, you'll need a corresponding wallet. We can do this by visiting ethereum.org. As you can see, this is the official website of Ethereum, and you have the absolute freedom to read and learn all of the information they have on their homepage. However, it's totally alright if you don't wish to do that. In that case, you can go ahead and scroll down to this section. All of your work would be nothing if you're not able to redeem your ETH. So click on this, pick a wallet option. It will lead you to a page where it lists all of the available Ethereum wallets. This includes many variations that you can further filter to fit your needs. For example, if you wish to prioritize wallet security, you may pick to deposit your crypto on physical hardware wallets. There are also mobile and desktop wallet types. But keep in mind that choosing randomly will not be an excellent course of action. So we want you to head to the bottom of this page and click on the link that says Find a Wallet. This new window will present a few questions to define what type of wallet will be best for you. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as a guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.